Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to make an abstract background using the Twirl tool in Illustrator. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start out making some shapes, and it doesn't even matter really what kind of shapes we put here. They could be tall, skinny, they could be round. It really doesn't matter simply because of what we're going to be doing with these things here in a minute. But we're just going to start out with some shapes here, and you can certainly experiment to figure out which ones work best for you as a starting point. But they're all green, and I'm going to make sure that this green that I use is actually a global color. Now watch what happens when I hit OK. This is going to change. My little swatch option is going to change here to be, has a little white tag in the corner of it. This means it's global, and now gives me opportunities to tint. Again, I've got to make sure all those colors are selected there to that color. It allows me to tint some of these colors a little bit. I could tint it a lot or very little, doesn't matter. But now I'm going to use my Twirl tool. This Twirl tool is found underneath the Width tool shown in the toolbar, and I get to it by going to Shift W and then find the Twirl tool underneath it. Now the Twirl tool, if I double click on it, I can change the size of my brush and how intense the brush is. In other words, how fast it will twirl. I hit OK. I'm going to start out with a 4-inch brush here, and you'll see as I click and hold, items underneath that brush start to twirl with that Twirl tool. And it's twirling kind of slow just because I only have it at 20%. But if you hold it longer, the detail of the twirl gets more and more and more. And you can actually move around and create some even more abstract looking shapes going on.